Mike and Bernie. We've dreamed for years of being able to travel in an RV and see our country. Follow along with us, our dog Winston, and our cat Bud as we chase our dreams. Well, today we are at the Colorado River RV Resort in Lake Havasu City. And it's pretty nice, a little tight. Not bad, it's very quiet. They have a good dog park, so that's a good thing. And heated pools. It's freezing cold here today, 52 degrees or something, so not normal. But enjoy the video. Palm trees. That's a nice pool. Try to get you out of the fence. It's a big hot tub. It must not be heated if they have a solar blanket on it. Well, keep the heat in. Oh. That's really nice. This park's pretty nice. Clean. So the park's separated by this road, the London Bridge. Tanya, don't go. It's a London Bridge road. Which in the evening it's not busy, but it is now. So over here is the office. This is the park. If you pull in here, do not turn left because your GPS will say turn left, and this wonderful sweet lady will come out and tell you got to turn around, go back across the street, which is not an easy task. So you have to turn right into the office and then turn around and go back across the street again. The dog park, which is important to us. It's pretty nice. Winston knows the dog park's right there. And there's a BALL in there. Shuffleboard. I've not seen pickleball. Have you seen pickleball?
No.
Another pool. They're all heated. Must be kind of a clubhouse or activity center there. There's that little pool. Small. Recreation hall. I don't know what's in there. It's closed. Sinclair from down the road we go. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right.
What y'all doing?
We're walking. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, YouTube.
Walking?
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to make sure you enjoy more adventures and follow us along as we chase our dreams.